Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is start in Google Slides on a blank slide. Then you're going to come up here, insert image, and search the web. And the very first thing you want to insert is your background. So you're going to type in floor and wall background. Okay, and a whole bunch of options are going to pop up, but you want to make sure it's just the floor and the back wall. You don't want the side walls. So I'm going to click this one, insert, and I'm going to stretch it until it fits my entire slide. Okay, and then let's say you want a whiteboard in your room. You're going to do the same thing, search the web, whiteboard, transparent background, and you want to make sure that you say transparent background so that you're not getting any of the white behind it. Let's go with this one, should work. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this until it's the size that I want, and I'm just going to plop it up on the wall. Okay, so now you want some furniture in here. And I didn't really like the options that this was providing for me. So I went ahead and I went to Google and I looked for furniture on there. So I looked for a kidney table. But I don't want this white background here. So what I'm going to do is pull up this remove background website. And all you have to do is minimize both of the screens so that you can see both of them. And then all you have to do is drag the picture that you want over in here. And it completely removes the background so you can use it on your slide. All you have to do is download it, save it on your desktop or wherever you want to save it. Okay. Go back to your slide, upload from computer. All right, and here's my kidney table. And of course, you can flip it and edit it. So format options, size and rotation, flip it so that it's facing the other way. However you want to do it. And you drag it so that it's proportional. So there's my kidney table, and you can do that with anything. You can do it with a bookshelf like this one, literally anything. I did it with books. So now to insert your Bitmoji, you have to download the Bitmoji Chrome extension. So what you do is come to the Chrome Web Store. Come to the Chrome Web Store, look for the Bitmoji app, download it, and then it will automatically save up here. Once it's up here, all you have to do is click on it, look for a Bitmoji that you like, of you waving, excited, whichever one. Once you find the one that you like, you right-click on it, copy image, click back on here, Control V, or paste however you want, and then there she is. So really, the key player in all of this that helped me the most was this website, the remove background, because that's how you can really get creative with whatever you add. So you drag whatever furniture, book, whatever it is here, download them to your desktop or wherever, and then upload them to your Google slide. And it'll make it look really awesome. I hope that helped.